Rolling your TJ over rocks and tree roots is a blast, until your stock front bumper taps out and leaves your frame vulnerable. That's why today we're diving into the best heavy-duty front bumpers that protect your rig, boost approach angles, and let you mount winches and lights without hassle. Whether you're a weekend warrior or daily driver with attitude, I've lined up the toughest options. All the links are waiting for you down in the video description. So don't stress about taking notes. Just pick your favorite and lock it in. Hooke Road Stinger Bumper brings serious trail attitude. That tall stinger bar and built-in skid plate don't just look mean. They save your grill and undercarriage when you nose into rocks or ditches. It comes ready with two 18-watt LED spotlights and a winch mount rated for 12,000 pounds. Installation straight bolt-on, no drilling, and it even includes D-rings and a 2-year warranty. Rugged, loud, and ready to crawl. OEDRO Bumper fits Wrangler TJ models with precision thanks to laser-cut construction and factory hole mounting. No drilling, no cussing, just bolt it on. It packs 4 built-in fog lights pushing 36-watt and 40-watt flood beams for serious night visibility. Thick 5/32 steel and 2-inch tubing keep your Jeep protected, and the textured powder coat stops rust before it starts. Even the packaging is armored so it arrives ready to work. SmittyBilt XRC Bumper is the OG rock crawler look. Cold rolled 3/16 steel, robot welded, ground smooth, then finished in textured matte black. The one-piece design feels absolutely bulletproof. The Stinger is 1 3/4-inch tubing and has tabs for 2 9-inch lights. It mounts a 10,000-pound winch like it was born there, and installation is pure bolt-on. If you want classic Jeep magazine cover vibes, this is it. Fishbone Bumper is built by Jeep people for Jeep people. These folks wheel their own rigs, and it shows. The Piranha Series guard protects your front end while the winch mount stands ready for recovery duty. Every unit is jig-fitted at the factory, so install isn't some wrestling match. Thick steel, textured powder coat, and zero fluff. Just functional, affordable protection with real credibility behind it. EAG Front Bumper delivers that best bang for your buck energy. 5/32 steel and 2-inch tubing, robot welded D-ring mounts, and a built-in winch plate that fits up to 12,000 pounds. The Tiger textured powder coat looks premium without the premium price. It lines up with factory fender flares so it doesn't look like an afterthought, and the no-drill install means you're done before lunch. So there you have it. 5 front bumpers that'll turn your TJ from cautious to confident. Whether you care most about lighting, winch strength, approach angle, or just straight-up style, one of these has your name on it. All the links to every bumper are sitting right there in the video description, so hit one and upgrade your Jeep's face as soon as possible. And hey, if this helped you out, smash that subscribe button so I can keep bringing the real deal gear guides.